Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's look, I'm going to be doing a Easter themed look for you guys. I had to do a voiceover for this video because my audio quality has been so bad lately. I don't have an external mic, so I'm so sorry about that. Just adjusting my top right now just because I wanted to prove to you guys that I wasn't naked in this video. There we go. I'm just putting some green paint all over my chest. This actually took me so long to do because in the pan it was like a 3 gradient strip colour, and I only wanted to pick up this single colour, so I had to use this tiny fuck off brush to pick up this one individual colour to paint all over my chest, so it took quite a while. Yeah, splish 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 splish. Now I'm just doing some blades of grass at the front. To be honest, this took me a long time too, and I probably could have mowed my actual lawn quicker than it did to take me to paint these on. But anyway, it's all about the details, right? Again, I'm taking that same small ass brush that I did before and just doing the blue sky now. Yeah, I hope you guys are doing well during this time, or as best as you can. I know it's a kind of hard and strange situation to be in, especially like mentally and financially. Yeah, I am totally forgetting what day it is at the moment just because I don't know, I'm just not really focused on what day it is or anything like that, and I actually almost completely forgot it was my birthday the other day. I am officially 29. I turned 29 on the 7th of April, and yeah, I feel old as now. Like, where is the time gone? And here I am just covering myself in paint and making the most of isolation right now. Yeah, I have really been taking the time just to sit down and be creative. It's just sort of something that takes my mind off everything. Listening to the news and everything can kind of get a bit overwhelming. So this is sort of what I like to do in my spare time. Just sit down and paint. So here the plan is to try and draw a bunny and a little baby chicken. Chicken. Yeah, I am just drawing the outline to it now. Just painting the little furs on, you know, you got to make it a little fluffy bunny. Then I've got to give him an eye. Oh look, I can see! Oh, thank you so much! I can fucking see now! I'm just going to give the other guy an eye. Wow, I'm taking forever to draw that eye, my god. Still going. How long does it take to draw a bloody circle? Yep, I think that's done, Claire. Yep, you can move on to giving the other. Oh, there we go. I'm giving him an eye now. Oh, look, I can see too. Yep, I can see now. Thank you so much. There we are. They're looking a little bit more like animals now. You can see we've got a little bunny and a little chickie slowly coming along. And here I'm just adding a bunch of little random purple flowers. I'm just sort of making these up as I go, so adding some detail. And if you watch really closely, something magic's about to happen. Fucking boom, daisies. And oh, now we've got a tree, our first tree. I actually have no clue how to draw a tree. If anyone could give me some advice, that would be most helpful. I actually struggled with drawing a damn tree, okay? Yeah, the tree is probably not my best work, to be honest. I sort of played around with this quite a lot, taking my time just drawing the branches, and I didn't really know where and how to add the branches, as strange as it may seem. I kind of just winged it. And then don't even get me started on where to put the individual leaves. I just ended up dotting them around. Yeah, I feel like they turned out okay, but yeah, I definitely need to practice drawing trees. I didn't realise one could be so weak on drawing trees. So yeah, that's something I'm going to focus on in isolation. You might see me come out in my next video being the queen of trees. You never know. You just never know. So yeah. And see, like, this is what I mean. I'm just literally guessing where I want to put the leaves. I have really no system to this whatsoever on where I want to place them. I am just splotching them everywhere. So, um, yeah, that's my advice for painting trees the way I do, is just literally just tap your brush anywhere and just hope that they turn out somewhat tree-like. So that's what I did, and I feel like you can identify them as a tree, at least. But, you know, are they the most beautiful tree in the world? No. No, they're not. Probably not anywhere even close. Um, but it's all about practice and learning. So this is exactly what I'm doing here. And for the final touches, I'm just going ahead and adding some clouds to my neck. Again, no real process for this either, just sort of placing them anywhere really, and hoping they turn out okay.
I hope you guys liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe down below and like this video as well if you liked it. I hope the Easter Bunny brings you lots of chocolate, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!